Abula's Golden Migas con Huevo. A delicious Mexican breakfast recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 10 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 8 to 10 pieces corn tortillas, 1/3 cup neutral oil, 8 pieces large eggs, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, a half teaspoon black pepper, a half large white onion, 1 to 2 pieces serrano pepper, 2 medium Roma tomato, 1 piece garlic clove, a half cup queso fresco. Step 1. Start by prepping your tortillas. Cut the corn tortillas into 1-inch squares or uniform strips. If they feel very fresh and moist, leave them out on a baking sheet for 20 minutes to dry out slightly. This ensures maximum crunch. Step 2. In a medium bowl, crack the 8 eggs and season with a half teaspoon of salt and the black pepper. Whisk gently until the yolks and whites are just combined, but avoid overbeating to keep the scramble tender. Step 3. Place a large, heavy-bottomed skillet, cast iron is ideal, over medium-high heat. Add the neutral oil and let it shimmer until a small piece of tortilla sizzles immediately upon contact. Step 4. Add the tortilla pieces to the hot oil. Fry them in a single layer if possible, or in 2 batches, stirring frequently for 4 to 6 minutes until they are a deep golden brown and very crisp. Step 5. Once the tortillas are crisp, use a slotted spoon to remove any excess oil from the pan, leaving about 1 to 2 tablespoons. If there are too many burnt crumbs, wipe the pan and add a fresh tablespoon of oil. Step 6. Reduce the heat to medium. Add the diced white onion and minced serrano pepper to the pan with the crispy tortillas. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion becomes translucent and fragrant. Step 7. Stir in the minced garlic and diced tomatoes. Cook for another 2 minutes until the tomatoes have softened slightly and released some of their juices, but aren't completely mushy. Step 8. Pour the beaten eggs directly over the tortilla and vegetable mixture. Immediately reduce the heat to medium-low. Step 9. Using a heat-resistant spatula, gently fold the eggs from the edges toward the center. You want to coat every piece of crispy tortilla with the egg mixture. Step 10. Continue to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, folding gently, until the eggs are set but still look slightly moist. The residual heat will finish the cooking process once removed from the stove. Step 11. Taste and add the remaining salt if necessary. Remove the skillet from the heat immediately to prevent the eggs from becoming rubbery. Step 12. Sprinkle the crumbled queso fresco and fresh cilantro over the top while still in the pan. Step 13. Serve immediately onto warm plates, topping with avocado slices and a drizzle of Mexican crema. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.